Hello friends, how are you all? I hope you people are doing well at your home places and everything is fine over there. So I Renu Singh welcomes you all to your own YouTube channel, The Brainic. So in this video, I am going to unbox my welcome kit. Today I have received my welcome kit, so we will just unbox it together. In my previous video, as if you have watched, I have just shared the assets which I have received from the Byjus. We have done the unboxing of that assets together. So in this video I am going to share the welcome kit which I have received from Byjus. I am happy by receiving that all the things I have receiving by the Byjus within a week. So these things we will going to see in the video. Before that, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. If you like the video, so press the thumb. So let's start the unboxing of the welcome kit. So this is how it looks. It is a package only. Let me open it. Let's see what are the things in it. I was not like that they will send it as soon. I was expecting it in next week, but I have received in this week only, after the 2-3 days of that receiving my assets kit. All the assets are doing well. I am using these all the stuff from last 3 days, and they all are working very well. So by post they are sending these things to us. I think bag and all things will be there. So this is the things. One by one we will open all the things. A beautiful jute box is here. It looks like this. You can carry small things in it while going out, and helpful for those who are going to join from office to take their lunch bottles and all things. This kind of diary you are going to receive. It is very beautiful and easy to carry. The small diary we have with the beautiful pages. Yep. Yes. Very nice diary. Another is this box. Let's see what is there inside it. Oh, it contains a beautiful mug. Yeah, like this. It is very beautiful and decent. Now I am going to have my coffee in this only. Let me arrange it. And 2 more small packets are also there. Obviously there will be a pen in this. By the packing you can have an idea. Yeah, we are having this kind of pen. Nice. Another small token of packet. Let's see what is there. 2 batches. One is Life at Byjus. I don't know when we have to use this, but we have received in welcome kit only. And proud to be Byjite. Yes, I proud to be. I am going to put it now only. I'm just loving by joining this Byjus. I am having very good experience. My training is about to finish only. I think only 1 week is left. Another thing is done in training. And a bag, laptop bag. It will be like this. Very beautiful. And it has a very good quality. The stuff of the bag is very good quality. You can use it. Yeah, one more thing is there inside it. This paper kind thing is there. Okay. Welcome to Byjus, and from the founder of Byjus we will get this type of letter. Yes, if you have been selected in interview, you are also going to get all these things and if you are making your mind to join Byjus, so you will avail the facilities, all these facilities like I am availing. So it is lovely experience, guys. So these are the things which I have been received in this welcome kit. The best thing is that bag. It is of very good quality. So these are the things which you are going to get in your welcome kit. And assets, you know, laptop, pen tab, and your router and your headphone that you are going to get in your assets kit. These are the things. Webcam I have not received. I don't know why I have not received. Many of my teammates also have not received the webcam. So this is all about the video. I hope you love this video. If you like the video, please press the thumb, and if you're new to my channel, you have to subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you friends. Thank you for watching.